some or other, say, during last 2, 3 years, I have been very fortunate that I have been invited in such type of business schools at interval 5 to 6 months time. Before 2, 3 years, I was invited at Nirma to share my views on developing brand. Then at one business school that is called a Marwadi business school, though it is promoted by Gujaratis and Kathiawadi people, good industrialist. So that was a good experience. And before that, by SP Jain at Mumbai, where I was invited to speak on my experiences in family managed organization. So in family managed businesses. And in that, out of 140 students, 80 were to enter into the business of their own. So it was more useful to them also. And in question answer session also, I rather, more than them, I learned more from them. So it is always interesting, and it is my pleasure to meet you all, and particularly something that is to get acquainted with what are the new ideas, what are new innovations, and say how the youngsters are thinking a particular point in a different way. So with this for 40, 50 years experience, our thinking is, comes to such type of, I would not say stagnancy, because we go and attend various conferences, we update our knowledge. So we have to be, relevant in this changing society. But that is, what is fresh is fresh. So I welcome you here, all the students, boys and girls with fresh ideas. In such type of, business and entrepreneurship, there are some basic things which is, more useful to us. It is so said that particularly in a certain type of community, it comes with, like with Gujaratis, entrepreneurship nature is more or less inherent in every person. So, like, a courage to develop oneself, and many a time, normal people do not see what is ahead, but a people with vision, what we call visionary people, they see ahead of, well in advance, what they view, others cannot. And so if it is backed up with good courage and then with also knowledge, then there are certain type of business schools are there to back you up, and you can develop yourself very fast in your, walk of life. So when you have a vision and entrepreneurship nature, and along with that a family business, then you are already supported, and your way will be very easy to develop yourself. So what is what you have to ensure, that you have to ensure speed with safety and security. So you should work many a time. So there are people who see everything on net and all the details are available, then they start working. But in, those who are having, they want to do little bit something more and special. Once you have something, what you say, you can think that with the gathering 30-40% information, details, etc., you will see that now this will work. And if you are sure, you start working. Instead of getting 100% detail, then only you will work. No, then much time will be lost. So you can start working on 2-3 projects, where you find working is and going ahead is more faster, and the results would be more, fruitful. The results will be more rewarding. Then you will definitely like to go for that specific purpose and specific aim and objectives. More you require in life, that is how you deal with your superiors. At the same time, how you get work done from your members of the team and subordinates. So this is, this assures your success faster, and you can do better in life. So it is always not a, 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 a point that your knowledge will only be rewarded, but so many your virtues supported by, and your virtues in life, so that will also help you better in development. So many a time we see that good, those who are making top in schools and colleges, they sometime they succeed in life, but those who are having something extra, somewhat innovative, they get something, they get faster, and they can go fast and also get good results. Second thing is what you see in colleges and schools, that is outside world is entirely different, and once you will jump into that, you will start experiencing, not necessarily that you will come across with good people. You have to face, and you have to face the society. You have to make your own way, even dealing in a better way, and one has to make way. So I would also request that in planning and obtaining your, your aims and objectives and your progress in life, while progressing, you also give your 10-20% time to make the future society a better society. So wherever you find something unusual, whenever you find something where you find injustice, then you at least take your own viewpoint and also help the people, those who are fighting for injustice, who are making systems better and better. So it is always with a teamwork, you help the society in that way. So now you have a good future ahead, and wish you all good success in the life. Thanks for giving me opportunity. Anubhav, that developing this brand, when I entered in business, and from 63 I became fully active. Then once I talked to my father that what is a bagh bakri, a bagh, tiger or animal, what these things have to do with that? આ નામ મને પસંદ નથી, હું તો આમાં બિઝનેસમાં નથી જોડાવા માગતો. એટલે મને કહે કે ભાઈ નામ બદલી કાઢો, ચેન્જ ધ નેમ. તો કે નહીં તું આપણે જેના પર બેઠા છે એ ડાળીને કાપવાય નહીં. પછી I was not feeling good. I continued, but along with that I got a permission to start new brand, that is a Good Morning Tea. So it is morning is always connected with tea, and so I started with Good Morning Tea. And it was, I preferred blend having at least 15 to 20% better varieties in that blend. So now that blend is, so popular. Though, and for, wherever the tea is costlier and wherever the prices are high, or what you say, it's something special, you will not get masses to support that. So it is always that the sale will be less. But it is so appreciated by those who are good tea tasters in India. They appreciate this brand. In that, say we at present in our Bagh Bakri, we use only 100% Assam and Indian tea, Assam tea, South Indian teas. But in Good Morning Tea, we blend 5% Kenyan tea, that is very bright appearance. that assures very bright appearance, and 5%, 3 to 5% Sri Lankan teas. You know, in Sri Lanka, at those times, previously Sri Lankan teas, Sri Lanka was area where the coffee was grown. So in that tea, there is a flavor like South Indian teas. At the same time, there is a strength like coffee. So it is a very special character. So with this special varieties, we launch our brand in Maharashtra, in Delhi, and also now in Uttar Pradesh. So these are all experiments are there. And then after, say, I was first in convincing my elders, that is to bring, that is tea bags. We were the first in tea bags, introducing tea bags. And along with the Wagh Bakri, we put a name Tea Quick, because a tea can be brewed quicker when you use tea bag. So it was in 1990 we were first in Gujarat to introduce tea bags. Yes, and it is always when you use a tea bag, there is a control in your hand. The person who is making a tea. चाय में क्या क्या शिकायत होती है? चाय मिसिस को आप कहते हैं आपने कड़क बना दिया, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग चाय हो गई. यहाँ तो it is in your hand to how to brew it for 1 minute, 1.5 minute or 2 minutes, then you can take it out. So ये शिकायत चली गई. पीछे ये इनको ये कहेगा कि आपने मिल्क ज़्यादा डाल दिया, तो वहाँ मिल्क डालना नहीं डालना. You have so many options when you use tea bag. तो मिल्क बिगर भी आप पी सकते. Instead of milk, you can add 2 to 3 lemon drops also in that. So same way sugar ज़्यादा डाल दिया, sugar डालो या नहीं डालो, it is all. So tea bags is in foreign countries, it is always 60 to 70% sale that is in tea bag. We are exporting around 30 countries, but in US and Canada, it is a big market for tea bags. So there, consumers prefer tea bags, where most of them take tea without milk, and they may add lemon or not. So far as Darjeeling tea is concerned, not necessarily that you have to add lemon drops or something. Darjeeling has so good a flavor that sometime, say, where I very recently, as you said, experiments. So Darjeeling chai, उसका हमने कहीं जगह पार्टी में, where the hard drinks are served in outside Gujarat, or wherever, maybe sometime here also, that is tea without milk in a champagne glass or cut glass or so. And then it was so good, a very near taste. There are certain Darjeeling teas are having a so good that even one can do with hard drinks. But those who are used to that, we have no solution for them. But those, I gave one slogan, sir, Pathak Sahib, I gave a slogan that replace hard drink by health drink. Replace hard drink by health drink. So this is something, and what I aim, that I would like to stay Goa 1 week in a month, and to capture 5 to 10% hard drink market from Goa. Very difficult. I think with this my 50 years experience in tea, I should be very much satisfied if I get that at least 2% of the hard drinks market. So very recently, say, when we wanted to go out of Gujarat and I wanted to go to take my tea to Maharashtra, then at that time, say, how much we shall sell? And my younger brother, who was looking after sales, he said, we will sell around 30,000-40,000 kilo monthly. I mean, no. We, at least on passing of 3 to 4 years time, you can go up. They can, no, it is not, we cannot sell more. Then I said that you you sit outside, and I will, outside the sales department, I will handle sales. And for a specific Maharashtra state, in 2007, today I am 76, that is before around 67 or 68, I took that challenge. I accepted that because my career was started with the sales. So I accepted that challenge, and what I did, that first innovative idea, that is to, like Cafe Day, I started tea lounge there. In Mumbai, it was first in 2008, we started a tea lounge. Very recently, you have come across here in Ahmedabad also, we have started near Xavier's College. Then more 3 tea lounges in Mumbai, then after 3 at Delhi. So this is how, once it is accepted, nowadays it is not necessarily that use Wagh Bakri tea or good morning tea, it is, and you talk, give good advertisement in newspaper, etc. But you start something, when it is served in a tea lounge, customer will sit there for half an hour, 1 hour, and then they will have a chit chat. They will try first Wagh Bakri tea, then good morning tea, then iced tea, then lemon tea, then peach, and all other varieties of tea they can. So one person entering in a tea lounge tastes minimum 3 to 4 different varieties. So this is how changes are taking place in marketing and many things. So these are the things, and more we should aim at the new innovation. Very recently, it was difficult to compete with Nescoffee and all. So we launch one soluble tea. It is there are 14 sachets in one pack, and all 4 flavors are there. One is adrak, masala, lemongrass, and peach. So these are flavors, and you have to cut down like जैसे पान पराग जैसा सैचे आता है, उसमें पाउडर होता है जिसमें milk is there, sugar is there, and tea powder is there. So you have to pour it, and just you pour hot water on that, stir it, your tea is ready. And we have tried to see that its taste very much near to Wagh Bakri type of tea. So we got a good success. Those who are going foreign, and what to gift there when you are invited by someone on dinner. So that is people take up dozens of such type of ready to drink, this instant tea, instant tea premix. So they take with them. So these are various things gradually accepted. But those who are lovers of tea and connoisseurs, they prefer that a tea in a kettle, milk separate, sugar separate, have a leisure, at least when you want to enjoy tea, and you take, once I develop an advertisement, when you are served tea bag, you have 15 minutes, you understand that you have been given 15 minutes. But when you are served in a kettle, milk separate, sugar separate, you are given minimum 45 minutes to 1 hour. So that advertisement I had prepared to make to at least explain the difference between two. So tea is such a thing. It is a matter of leisure. In morning, you are still not married, but it is better to have it in kettle, enjoy with your spouse. एंड ते पूरा आज दिन का एंगेजमेंट क्या है, कहाँ शाम को शादी में जाना है, कहीं क्या करना है, बच्चों को क्या स्थिति है, ये सब देखते देखते दिन की शुरुआत जब अच्छी होती है, चाय से आपने आधा पौना घंटा चाय के ऊपर में बिताया, तो वो दिन सबसे बढ़िया ही बढ़िया जाता है. शायद कॉफ़ी पीने वाले भी हमारे से सेपरेट नहीं है, तो कोई भी एनी बीवरेज यू एंजॉय इन द मॉर्निंग इन अ बेटर मूड, योर डे विल बी ऑलवेज गुड. Thank you. All the best. Thank you.